What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to be giving an update on Toshi tools. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, it would mean the world to me if you'd consider smashing the like button and also subscribing to the channel. So Toshi tools, it's up almost 300% since our initial video came out on January 20th. Now, if you want to get in on plays as soon as we do, make sure you check out the link down below for Patreon, where I always mention if there's any tokens that I'm looking into or things of that nature. I always try to mention it to our Discord community first and foremost, so consider being a part of it. Now, Toshi Tools is currently sitting at a $1.16 million market cap, almost up nearly 300% since this token was first mentioned on the channel, but also overall, their price action has been amazing. And it's because of the partnerships they continue to build and all the utilities that they're building with their artificial intelligence bot that is currently being curated. Now, let's go ahead and look at some of the things that have happened since January 20th. The biggest thing is probably this information of what happened in Frankfurt, Germany. They sent out a tweet on the 28th saying, "We would like to thank the Binance staff as well as all project representatives for making yesterday's meetup in Frankfurt possible. Also, a big thanks to solidproof.io for welcoming our OGs warmly to the first real-life event for Toshi Tools has attended." They also mentioned here, lastly, speaking to the entire community, we thank some of the community members that they just mentioned there for taking the time to represent Toshi to the audience in Frankfurt. Rumors say everybody had an amazing time. They could be hinting at something, but regardless, I think, again, the most important thing that we get out of this exact post is that it's not only the developers that are working in the background that are helping out something like this. These are community-driven projects. And with that being said, 3 community members, they say here, they were able to represent the token for Toshi. And that's what it's all about. Think about it. For those of us who invested into SHIBAINU from day one, it's been the community asking for things. We got listed on exchanges because the community asked for it and we fought for it. And now we're seeing something similar with Toshi tools. In addition, there have been some development progresses that they've mentioned on the website. This is basically in addition to their initial white paper. And it says here, with a focus on user experience and functionality, we are successfully building the first version of the Toshi tools dApp. Currently in progress, by the way. The version of the dApp will allow users to connect their wallets and view their wallet performance on their profile's dashboard. So how many times have you tried to go on MetaMask or Coinbase wallet or any other decentralized wallet of any sort and try to identify, how has my P&L been? How am I doing from a profit loss standpoint? Am I doing well? How am I doing compared to maybe some others? You know, for friendly competition per se. That's something that Toshi Tools is currently en route to complete, hopefully very, very soon. Furthermore, on the overview page, users can search and view other top performing wallets and can favorite trending wallets which they decide to follow. You guys know where I am one of the biggest proponents probably of Ethereum whale trackers, and that's something that I follow on Twitter every single day to see what they're doing with their ETH positions and SHIB positions. Well, now you can do that with the comfort of not even just going on Twitter, instead going on your own dashboard via Toshi Tools dApp or decentralized application. The front of the app is being developed using React, while the backend is being handled with the Django, a Python web framework. Something, again, way beyond me. I don't understand Python. I don't know how to code. Again, I'm more of a front-end kind of person, regardless, even within my own business. And now the Django framework will make sure and use of Redis and Celery to prove. See, when you start mentioning words like Django and Redis, Celery in the same sentence, to me that sounds like maybe a vegetable and things of that nature. But again, this is all coding language to provide constant, up-to-date data. Below is the video of the front end, and it's been playing the entire time we have been on the screen. The front end of our app in action with the dashboard animations and the basic data scraping and effort. This is looking absolutely amazing, folks. And they are showing here some of the back end, it says here front end, HTML and JavaScript development code in progress. So again, these aren't just regular old developers. These are individuals that are really doing a lot. Data extraction and digestion adding AI assistance within their platform via Chat GPT. This is honestly going to be a game changer for crypto. And I think, again, the utility is what's going to make this token stand out amongst all the others. So they do have a community update here, sharing updates and new content, responding to community feedback, and collaborating with influencers to help grow our presence. So again, for my first video, it was a sponsored video by Toshi Tools, but I decided to do this update because, again, I just saw there has been so much going on with the project, and it's been amazing. So they're showing here some of the things that they're seeing on social media, and I love to see it. Anything that spirals, again, think of it the snowball effect. It starts small and continues to roll until it grows into something major. So they talk about marketing and give everyone basically a PR update, very similar to what publicly traded companies and stocks do. So the fact that Toshi Tools is doing that for their investor base, I think it's amazing. And that's showing transparency and keeping people informed in the space, especially their investors. Love to see it, and I hope that we continue to see success. Tomorrow's a big day, of course, for crypto, and I'm hoping it doesn't cause the market to kind of, reverse a little bit more, but only time will tell. I appreciate you guys' support as always, so thank you all so much for tuning in. Check out all the links down below for Toshi Tools, and a huge shout out to them for everything, especially for sponsoring that initial video. And that's it for today's update. That's all I had for you. More to come in the future, and until next time, everybody, keep investing. But wait, there's one more thing I forgot to mention earlier in the video. Toshi Tools actually ended up locking their liquidity for 100 years. So again, take that into account before investing into this token, because I can never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any crypto asset, but I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. Now, until next time, keep investing. Peace.